Hello everyone, this is Jenny again, 1BX Girl. Please like and subscribe. So here is I cook today for our lunch an air-fried drumstick chicken, rice as usual, then green beans. So I'm going to show you how I do this. First, you have to marinate your chicken 30 minutes or less. Even 10 minutes, it can able to penetrate the flavoring already. So I added ground black pepper, a soy sauce, onion powder, garlic powder, and ground ginger. Then you have to add a lime or lemon, or better you have the fresh one. It will make it tastier. So I preheated my air fry for 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, and you can you can air fry it for 30 minutes. Then I think you can hear the sound. So that's on. So I have here the one that I cooked from the first batch. So I'm going to take this. So this one, maybe I will add. That one. The chicken drumstick. And the thigh. Okay. Then push it back. Then you can hear the sound again. Okay. So yeah, this is my rice here. And get some. Then here's the finished product. You see? That's the juice, the oil from the skin, the fats. That's this. This is the air fried drumstick chicken, the rice. Then I garnish it with sweet mint and green beans. So let's eat. Yeah, I garnish it with sweet mint. So because you know the garlic is very strong, you can chew on it. It's natural. Okay, bye. Thank you.